So in this video, I'm going to demo the fixes and the tips to download your Xbox games faster. So without further ado, let's dive in. So one of the first things I'd do, just to make sure your console is all okay, is do a hard reset. And that involves holding down the power button for 10 seconds, and then that should clear out any settings or issues that may be on there. Another quick tip, make sure nothing else is running on your network, either your family member's PC or on your own PC. I've had OneDrive uploading documents and downloading stuff in the background without me realising, and it was just killing me internet around the house. Another tip is get faster internet, like fibre. I've got fibre, but there is a better version called Virgin Fibre, which I'm looking to get in the future, but you don't want your standard broadband because that's just going to be as slow as it gets. But you can make do, and these tips will still help you, but I definitely recommend trying to get fibre internet if you can. Another great tip, just use a network cable. Forget using Wi-Fi. If your router's near enough, or if you fancy running a cable up the stairs like I've done, then just get it plugged in. Another great option, if you're using Wi-Fi, is to try and use 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of the 2.4 GHz. That'll be a much faster connection. Please bear in mind, you need to be close to the router, and if you're a fair distance away and it's not working correctly, you're better off using the other connection. But if you're close enough and you've got 5 GHz available, then this will work. If you're struggling to download and you don't really know what to do anymore, this is one of the fixes I found, which I've shown in another video. I'll link that down below. So you want to go in settings in the system and then go to updates. At the moment I've got these set. Now by default this isn't a bad idea because it keeps your console up to date and keeps your games up to date, and it will download in sleep mode, so overnight it will be downloading the latest updates, which in theory would save you a lot of time. However, this has been causing a lot of problems. I've noticed this back in the Xbox One, and it's still current on the Series X, and it's basically, if these settings are ticked, it will slow down your internet speed for some weird reason. If you just untick them and drop out, then your downloads should start speeding up. Now another tip is if you have the game open, or a game open, it will severely slow down your network speeds. So at the moment, let's have a look. Yep, we're only got 30 meg, quite good. We're running at 30 meg. Now let's see what happens when I open a game. Okay, so the game's loaded. Now let's see what's happened to the download speeds. See, look, speeds have dropped significantly. We were getting 30 before, and now we're about an 8 or 10. Okay, and the final tip is to change the DNS server settings. I've shown this in another video I've done, but I'll just demo this again and show some recommendations that you might want to use. In this example, down below I will link to OpenDNS, Cloud DNS, and Google DNS. So you want to go in settings, network settings, and then down to advanced settings, and in here you want to update the DNS settings. At the moment it's set to the default one. Okay, so now I'm going to use my router's DNS to reference the speeds with. So that's the current speeds using my default router DNS. So if anything goes wrong, make sure to just go back in here and press automatic like that, and it will pick the default one from your router. But for now, we're just going to go to manual. So the OpenDNS IP address is 208.67.222, and the secondary one is 208.67220.220. So let's test the network speed and statistics. So here you can see the speeds, and the ping is 35. Let's try Cloudflare DNS. Okay, again you go into DNS settings. Let's go manual. So basically for this, we just want 1, 1, 1, 1. And the secondary DNS is 1.001. Okay, so let's test Cloudflare. As you can see, the latency is 29 milliseconds. So that is a slight improvement. So I would say this is the fastest one so far. Okay, and finally, Google DNS. 8.8. 8. And the secondary one is 8844. So Google's not bad, that's in second place with 30 milliseconds. So the best one for me was Cloudflare. So I'm going to try this out now. And if you have any comments about any of this, let me know and I'll get back to you. And please check out my other videos. Also, please join my Discord. I'm happy to answer any questions in there. Seems to be quite helpful because sometimes I get lost in the YouTube comments, but I'll try my best on both. Okay guys, thanks for that, and I hope this helps your internet out.